Jimmy from Cuffin Stuff. Man, have we got a good one for you today. Listen, my family just recently spent a week at Edisto Island, South Carolina. I was fortunate enough to get some shrimp right off the boat. So I'm going to show you one of my favorites to do with this. Now I'm going to devein and I'm going to shell the shrimp. The only thing I'm gonna leave on is the tail. And we're gonna do this almost like a scampi, but not really. This is garlic butter shrimp. Oh my goodness. It's kissed with smoke and oh, so good. So, hey, hang tight. Okay, well, let's start off with our garlic butter mix right here. I've got 2 sticks of butter in this bowl here. I'm going to put, this is a 1/4 cup of Lea & Perrins Worcestershire sauce. This is a tablespoon of parsley flakes and about a tablespoon of minced garlic. I'm gonna dump all of that in there. There we go. And I'm gonna take and mix that up. I've got lemons. I'm gonna squeeze the juice of a lemon in here. This is just a fresh cut lemon. Throw it in. Get this mixed up good. And this is our garlic butter with parsley in it. Now I've got, this is 3 pounds of fresh Edisto shrimp. We just got back from Edisto and I spend way too much, but I bring a lot of Edisto shrimp back. To season that, what else? I'm going to use, this is Uncle Steve's shake. This is Gator Shake. This is, of course, Cuffin Stuff approved. And let's get a good coating of Gator Shake on, mix him up good. I want to get him mixed up in the pan good, like this. Don't skimp on the Gator Shake. All right. And our garlic butter is going to go right over the top, and I'm just going to pour this garlic butter and parsley over the top. A couple of lemons. To the smoker with this, and I'll bring you right back. All right, we've got our temp up on the Pit Boss. Now let me tell you, for summertime cooking, hey, don't knock a pellet grill. They're so handy to use. So we're going on the Pit Boss. Now this is something that you don't want to walk away from, okay? This is only going to take 20, 30 minutes to the outside, okay? So you want to stay with it, keep an eye on it. When it gets that good pink shrimp color, that's when you want to do it. So we're going to give it about 15 minutes and we're gonna come back and check on it, and I'll bring you back. All right, we're about 15 minutes in. So let's take a look here. Yeah, we're starting to get a little pink in here. We still see a lot of the translucent color, and we want to lose most of that. So let's stir him up in this garlic butter a little bit, and let's let him keep on cooking here. All right, I'm gonna let it go probably another 10 minutes and check it, maybe 15 at the most, and then I'll come back, and when I do, I'll bring you back. Okay, here we go. 30 minutes in. That's 30 minutes in the smoke at 250, and those are looking good. So let's take them off. We'll take them over to the table. Then we're gonna try them. Okay, well, look here. Is that pretty? My goodness, look at that. Well, there's nothing to do but try this. Oh my goodness. Delicious. Tender as it can be, it's done just right. Now, listen, a benefit to cooking this way is the juice. It's a piece of brioche bread. I've seen this done more than once. Let's try the juice. Oh. Listen, I can't speak to your cholesterol, but oh my goodness, this stuff, you see I keep going back. Garlic butter shrimp. This is straight off the boat from Edisto Island, South Carolina. I don't know how you would get better shrimp than this. Oh, this is good. Hey, thanks for hanging around. If you haven't already, how about hit the button over here, this circle, and subscribe. Give me a like. Just for you, I will also have another video right down here. So until next time, hang tight.